Now Mother India wishes to share her traditions through a group song.
A celebration of voices, different notes, one harmony.
আহা কি আনন্দ আকাশে বাতাসে, আহা কি আনন্দ আকাশে বাতাসে, আহা কি আনন্দ আকাশে বাতাসে। শাখে শাখে পাখি ডাকে, কত শোভা চারিপাশে, শাখে শাখে পাখি ডাকে, কত শোভা চারিপাশে, আহা কি আনন্দ আকাশে বাতাসে। Hope is always in your breath. Shine a little brighter. Oh, oh, oh. Lift your spirit higher. Oh, oh, oh. Light the world on fire. Shine a little brighter. Shine a little brighter. Now the world can see your light. Glowing gentle, soft and bright. Every soul you touch today feels the warmth of
Thank you, songsters of Carmel, for letting India's soul sing through you.
India, a land where Buddha preached compassion, where Mahatma Gandhi walked the path of nonviolence, and where every festival teaches us to live together in harmony.
Our nation has always said, peace is not the absence of conflict, it is the presence of understanding.